Here I have Realme GT 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then access its settings, find an option. Okay, so we don't have to look for any options, just switch to the photo mode and hold down shutter button, and after that it will take a burst shot. Like as you can see right now, I took 20 shots and here I can view them. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.